Hello, I'm Daniel from the Timetracker app team. In this video, I'm going to show you how our new feature, the Auto Tracker, works. It's available in both the timeline view and on the issue view. I will show you both, starting with the timeline view. So I'm on the timeline view of the app, and to make sure that you are switched to the timer-based workload mode, you have to use this toggle, and you're in the timer mode if you see this play button. Click on it, and as you can see, the duration timer has started. The start date was set to the time when I pressed the button, and the timer will keep counting even if I hide the start and end dates. And while the timer is running, you can even switch back to the manual workload creator mode, so you can create another workload on that day or on a previous day if you want. And if you move your mouse here, then you can see a notification that you have a running timer. And if you switch back, you can see that the timer has kept going. In order to not spam your timeline with very short worklogs, the minimum requirement for a workload with the created by the timer is 1 minute, and the maximum is 24 hours. So if you forget to stop a timer, it will stop after 24 hours. Of course, you can edit the start and end dates or the duration after, so you don't need to worry about a timer left running. And you can also discard timers if you want. So if you use the stop button, then the workload will be created. And if you click on the discard button, then no workload will be created. Also, because of the 1 minute time requirement, if you try to stop the recording before the 1 minute duration has passed, then it will also act as a discard in this case. And you can edit the description issue tags even while the timer is running. So for example, now I've added the issue key, the timer is running. Now I'm going to switch to the issue itself. I need to refresh the screen so that the timer is synchronized with the app. But as you can see here, the timer has kept running. I'm going to wait until the 1 minute mark passes to show you another thing. Okay, now it's passed, I can stop, and the workload editor available on the issue screen will pop up, so you can add extra info like description tags, billings info, or make this workload repeatable if you want. And once the workload is created, so there is no running timer, you can start the timer again. It will stop. And what I want to show you here is I'm going to switch to another issue. Refresh the screen again just so the time tracker is synchronized. And what it will tell you is that there is a timer running on another issue. So because of that reason, you cannot start the timer on this other second issue. So now it's telling me that the tracker is running on another issue. And if I want, I can discard that running timer here, or waiting for the 1 minute duration, stop the tracker and start again. Right now I'm going to discard the timer and start a new timer here on this issue, because I decided this is the issue that I need to be working on instead. So this is how the auto tracker works. I hope this was helpful to you. If you have questions, then feel free to reach out to us. I've put the link to our support portal in the video description. And thank you for your attention.